So normally the question words in Burmese are based on two nouns. One is like a bear, the meaning is a witch. Another one it's a ba, it's a word. Normally every question word start with the bear or ba, only two choice. Then the other question words are normally formed by adding a particle to one of these. So it means okay, we have a lot of question, maybe how much, maybe who, anything, right? So okay, where, maybe how, these kind of thing. Everything start with the bear or ba. The others are we add the question part, I mean some particle in the middle that change to different question words. Okay, so here what is the word for there are only two words. It's a ba. Normally we don't say the ba alone, we add with the le. So far we are only talking about the la. This is the yes or no. Are you good? Yes, I'm good. No, I'm not, right? But here not la anymore, it's a le, because this is the open question. Ba le, it's a word. So ba le. Another one, it's a be, bele. It's more like a witch. Bele. So the others all start with a ba or be. We are some new particle that make it different questions. That we'll talk later. This is some information. Now let's start with the most common one. It's a bale. So if I say bale, it's a word. Bale. Sometimes even maybe let's say okay, this is sometimes we use something in the situation like you ask me something, maybe I didn't hear that and I just say, oh, bale, bale, oh, what did you say? Still we can use that, right? Bale. Okay, now so bale, it's a word, it's a question word, so we always need the le particle. Now let's see, let's make it easy way. Did you, okay, you know that, yeah, maybe if I say did you eat, it's a sa, maybe just maybe okay, sala, that's right, yeah. Did you eat today, something like, okay, did you eat today? Sala, that's right, sala. So the verb and I just end with the la to make it as a yes or no. Sala, right? Then maybe you said sade. Sade, right? It means I ate. Okay, now I just want to ask, oh, what did you eat? In that time, basale, not la anymore. Here I will just add one thing. In Burmese, when you are going to use the question words, we say the subject, object, then the question words plus the verb and maybe anything additional, maybe the tense particle, maybe the questions particle, anything. Maybe here it's a question, so I'll just go with le. So the priority it's like this. We say the subject, then object, question words, verb and le. So we never say ba le, it's together because the verb should be between the ba and le. When you say the question words alone, you see here, I'll just compare with that. We say ba le. Oh, 1 second, okay. We say ba le. But when you want to say what did you eat, what we do, we add the verb between the ba le because we follow in this. Okay, then you can ask me, what about the subject and object, right? Subject, it's a you. If you want to make it formal way, shem ba sa le. Still it's fine. Shem, it's a you. But normally we don't say the subject a lot, right? It's understood I'm asking you. But in this time, there is no object here. That's why I don't say subject, I don't say object, I just start with the question words. Basale. Okay, or yeah, still you can say shem basale if you want to make it formal. Basale or shem basale, there are two ways. Right, okay, basal. Okay, what about, drink? If I say drink, tau, that's right, tau, it's a to drink, right? So I just want to say, oh, what did you drink? maybe coffee or tea, anything. What did you drink? In that time, the verb it's a tao drink. Ba tao le, yes, ba tao le, right? Ba sa le. This time, the tao it's a little high sound. Ba tao le, tao, right? Ba tao le. Yes, ba tao le. Ba sa le, ba tao le. Okay, now let's go with the one more step. I just want to say, what are you doing? Do you know do? Love. Love it said to do. This is the verb. But here I just want to, oh sorry, okay. So this is the verb, it said love. I just want to say, what are you doing? What are you doing, right? How do we say? Ba. Yeah, the nele, because it's ing, right? It's a doing. Ba lau nele, that's right. Yeah, so if you see like, you know, any ing, you can go with the ne, right? Ba lau nele. What are you doing? Like, you know, ba lau nele. Okay, this time, yeah, maybe what are you eating? Something like, okay, what are you eating? Ba. Yeah, it's a sigh, it's a little high sound. Ba sa ne le. Ba sa ne le. That's right. So the ne, right? So make it ing. Exactly the same usage with the previous one, right? Okay, what about if I say sa ne la? Oh, sorry. Here, sa ne la. Can you guess the meaning? It's a la, it's a questions. Bas. Yeah, that's right. Are you eating? Right, yeah. Sa ne la. So, are you eating? So, maybe yes. Oh, you said sa ne de. You said like, you know, sa ne de. Then, the question would be ba sa ne le. Okay, what are you eating? Ba sa ne. Yeah, it's important, right? So, ba, it's an open question. That time the le count. Right? Yeah, ba sa ne le. Ba lau ne le. Like,